Adding a picture or other illustration to a worksheet will capture the attention and immediately portray what the worksheet is all about. And you can insert different types of illustrations by clicking on the Insert tab. We go to the Illustrations section, and here we can insert pictures from files located on your computer, or you can search online for pictures and insert them. Moreover, you can insert different types of shapes, for example rectangles, circles, arrows, and etc. Also, we can insert smart arts, which are professionally created diagrams that will help you communicate your information visually. And last, you can even insert screenshots of any open window on your desktop and insert it to your document. So let's start first by inserting a picture located on the computer. So we click on Pictures, then click on this device. Now if you go to your exercise files to folder named chapter 4, and you can double click on this balance image. So this will insert the balance image with handles located at the corner. And if you move your mouse pointer to any of these handles located at the corner here, it will become a double-headed arrow, and you can simply drag inward in order to decrease the size of the image. Now also you notice that we have this white background surrounding the image, and we can make it transparent. So with the image selected, we go to the Format tab of the Picture Tools section, then we go to the Adjust section and click on this Color button. Then we choose Set Transparent Color, and the mouse pointer now will become a small pencil. So you click on any region on this white background, and it will become transparent. And now you can see the grid lines behind the image. Moreover, you can change even the color of this image. So with the image selected, we click again on the Color button, and here we can recolor the image, and you can even change the color tone or the color saturation. So for this, I will choose this gold color. Moreover, we can choose different artistic effects. So we go to the Adjust section in the Format tab, and we click on Artistic Effects, and you can see we have all these different types of artistic effects. So I will choose Photocopy Effect. Now we've done from inserting a picture from the computer. Let's search online for a picture and insert it. We click on the Insert tab, we go to the Illustrations section, and we click on Pictures and click on Online Pictures. So this will open this menu, and you can search for any picture based on a keyword. So let's type in budget and hit the Enter key. So this will search online for pictures based on the budget keyword. I will choose, for example, this picture and click on the Insert button. So this will download the picture from the online source and insert it to the worksheet. Let's use the handles at the corners to decrease the size of this picture in order to fit next to the title, for example. So let's drag this picture next to the title. Now we've done inserting pictures. I want to change the format of this title to make it look better. So let's first clear all the formatting and the contents from row number 1. So we select row number 1 by clicking on the header. We go to the editing section and click on the clear button here and choose clear all. So this will remove all the content and the related formatting. So first we'll start by inserting a rectangular shape to this title section. So we click on the Insert tab, go to the Illustrations section and click on the Shapes and choose a rectangular shape. Then we drag using the mouse pointer, and you can see here we can change the lengths and the width of this rectangle. Moreover, if you hold on the shift key while dragging, this will lock the shape to be a square. Also, if we hold on the alt key, this will snap the rectangular shape to the grid lines. Now to insert this rectangular shape, let go of your mouse button first, then the alt key second. And you can see that the picture inserted here has disappeared because the rectangular shape is now on top of the picture, and we want to move it behind the picture in order for the picture to appear again. So we select this rectangular shape, go to the Format tab in the Drawing Tools section, then go to the Arrange section and click on the Send Backward text here, then click on this Send to Back button. So this will send the rectangular shape behind all other objects, and now the picture will appear again on top of this rectangular shape. Now let's try to change the color of this rectangular shape. So we select the rectangular shape, go to the Format tab in the Drawing Tools section, and in the Shape Styles section we click on this down arrow, and let's choose this green color. And if we want to insert some text inside this rectangular shape, we simply start by typing the text. So let's type in simple budget plan. You can see that the text is located in the wrong position. I want to locate it in the center and at the middle of this rectangular shape. So we select this text, go to the Home tab, and go to the Alignment section, and click for the vertical alignment, click the middle button, and for the horizontal alignment, click for the center button. Also, keep the text selected. You can increase the size of this text, and we can change even the font type. For example, let's choose Arial. You can make it bold, or simply by clicking on the bold button, or simply clicking Ctrl B on your keyboard. You can even use a shortcut to increase or decrease the size of this text. So hold on the Ctrl Shift and the greater than sign on the keyboard to increase the text size, or the less than sign on the keyboard to decrease the text size. Also, we can change the gradient of the color. So let's select this rectangular shape, click on the Format tab in the Drawing Tools section, and let's click on the Shape Fill. You can see that we can choose different colors for this rectangular shape, and if we want to change the gradient, we go to this gradient option here, and we can choose different variations. Okay, so I will choose this one, for example. So this will make a green light color in the center and a more darker color away from the center. So now you know all these techniques in order to format your worksheet. You can make some really nice looking worksheet by knowing and practicing these techniques.